everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new around here, be sure to smash that big red subscribe button down below. We're on the road to the big 3K. I just want to say a massive thank you for 2.6K. It means the absolute world to me. So today I'm actually so excited for tonight. So tonight I'm actually going to the O2 to go and see the Vamps, New Hope Club and Harvey. I'm seeing Harvey for the first ever time live and I'm just so excited. If you guys have been subscribed to my channel for a while, you would know that I absolutely love Harvey so much. I'm literally obsessed. But right now, I've got my hair done. My mum done my hair for me. But I'm about to do my makeup right now. I think I'm getting ready really early. We're not leaving, me and Tony are not leaving until about 3 o'clock-ish. And the time is only like 10:30. But I just want to get ready early so I look good for tonight. But I'm so excited. So I'm actually all ready right now. I just actually got to brush my teeth actually. But I've done my hair. My makeup's all done. I'm loving my eyeshadow. I'm feeling my eyeshadow today. I'm loving my outfit. My outfit is the best. I'm going to show you an outfit of the day right now. So this is my outfit of the day. I'm wearing my Fila shoes. And look guys, I'm just loving today's outfit. It's just absolutely insane. I'm feeling it, the weather's feeling it, life's good. And I'm going to see Harvey, the Vamps, New Hope Club and Dennis Coleman. It's going to be sick. I cannot wait. Hasta luego. Just left right now. I'm actually going to get onto the bus to go meet Tony and then we're going to be on the way to the Vamps, which, oh my god, I'm so excited. Like, oh my god, I've got no words to describe how excited I am. Like, we booked this back like ages ago when we went to Winter Wonderland and now the day's finally here. Like, we've been counting since like 100 days and now the day's finally here. I'm super excited. I'm gonna be seeing Harvey for the first time after like 7 years supporting him. It's crazy. I'm so excited. Actually just come out of the train station. We're finally here. I'm with Tony.
Hey guys.
I'm so excited for today. Like, I'm actually really excited. We're gonna walk around to the O2. Then we're gonna go and get some Harvey merch. I'm just so excited for tonight. It's going to be absolutely insane. Also, a big shout out to Tony's mum for getting us, what was it?
VIP tickets for the Sky Bar.
Yeah, we got VIP for the Sky Bar thing. So that's going to be insane. It's going to be an insane night. I can't wait. I'm seeing, oh, it's just going to be insane. I can't wait. Like, I was sitting on the train, singing Harvey songs and started crying. I was singing them at home and started crying. Today's just going to be insane. And we're outside the O2 and the merch store's over there. I can't wait. Oh my god. We're here, boys. Got into the Sky Lounge and honestly this is so peng. As soon as I walked in I heard Harvey. Oh, it's Harvey! VIP lounge, and as you can hear, we're backstage right now and we can hear Harvey. I'm actually gonna cry. Oh. This is so real. I love you, Harvey! Right now, I'm going to go and get some food because I've not ate all day, which is not a good thing. So I'm gonna go and get some food right now and then hopefully our block should be open and we're going into the arena. I'm actually so excited, like seeing Harvey do his sound check. I started to cry, so I don't know how I'm gonna react when he comes on that stage though, honestly. Tony, how are you feeling?
Good. Good, mate.
I cried when Harvey was doing his sound check. Honestly. I am so nervous. Like, I'm not meeting Harvey, but like just seeing him on the stage, well, sorry, sound check, and I was crying. So how am I going to react when he's on the stage? I don't know. But right now we're getting food because as I said, I'm really hungry. But when am I not talking about food? But yeah, I'll catch you guys in a bit. Hasta luego. We made it! We made it! Harvey's there! Yeah! Trying to make me feel bad! But I can do that on my own! That's why I'm trying to miss you, yeah!
Why you trying to hide me?
When I can do that on my own! All the nights with the fights that we think I'm up fighting for. And I hate to say that I told you so! I told you so! Woo! Help me!
So, I'm sorry if the vocals aren't on point tonight, okay, but I need you guys really to sing with me.
Wow, look how beautiful that is.
This all or nothing really got away, driving me crazy. I need somebody to hear, somebody to know,
Somebody to have, somebody to hold. It's easy to say. Killing all the nights and humbling me, oh yeah. I miss myself, the one I was before I found you. Who am I now? Who am I now when I'm without you? And humbling me, oh yeah. I miss myself, the one I was before I found you. Who am I now? Who am I now when I'm with the one I was before I found you? Who am I now? Who am I now when I'm without you? I miss myself, the one I was before I found you. Who am I now? Who am I now when I'm without you? Woo! I don't know! Why you do this to me? I'm so cold! You've been playing like yeah, 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 yeah. Every time she moves on, she said, she got best in your head, oh yeah! And she flirt with your friends, oh yeah! Make you wish you were dead every time she moves. Wow! 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 Oh yeah!
love it, I love you guys, thank you so much.
I love you! I love you!
See you guys soon.
Oh, Reese! I love you, Reese! Well done! Everybody grab Daddy, I was gonna go and I can fix, fix, fix! You got me fixed! Oh, yeah! When it got it back, I can never let go. You're drifting further and further, but I don't wanna let go. But I know, I know, I know, I am missing you. I know, I need your medicine. Whoa, better than ever been. Whoa, better than I am missing you. I know, I need your medicine. Better than ever been. Whoa, better. So we don't need permission for nothing. Touch like you wanna be touched, yeah. Tell you like you wanna be drunk, yeah. Feel like you wanna feel something. Woo! Permission. It's a break now until the Vamps. I'm absolutely shattered. My voice has completely gone. Like I sound like a dead man, honestly. Like I don't even know. I'm not alive. I'm dead. But I'm shattered right now. I'm screaming too loud. Harvey was just absolutely amazing, man. I thought I was going to miss Harvey because we kind of had like a dilemma. Like our block was closed off, but they gave us better tickets, so I was like, I can see Harvey. So I was like so gassed. And then New Hope Club come out, and it was absolutely insane. I've lost my voice, and the Vamps have not even come out yet. Whew. Tiny's just gone to get a drink. I'm shattered. I'm rocking the Harvey merch we love. I'm just so tired now. I love Harvey. I saw him at soundcheck and oh my god, I was crying. Then he come out and the O2 and I'm just so proud of you seeing this, mate. I love you. You're amazing. I've been supporting you for 7 years, which is absolutely crazy. But I guess you'll see me when I'm home screaming at the Vamps. I hopes for a living. I don't know why she's just my type. She's getting it down. Personality, real good, you never somebody time I look at you, I just don't care. 'Cause I wanna be all I ever wanna be, yeah, yeah. It's somebody to you, yeah, it's somebody to you. I wanna be all I ever wanna be, yeah, yeah. It's somebody to you. I love you! Still there, guys, but my voice, listen to this, like, I sound like a dead man, mate. Oh my god, my voice is literally gone. I can't sing anymore, and I ain't putting this on. As if they just got a bottle of champagne and popped it on the stage. It's gone everywhere. I can't even speak. Oh my god. I love you!
So on the note already, will you please give the warmest welcome to the voices from this inquiry?
You were never like me. Maybe I should love hard to get it right.
I could have been stronger
Tonight, I look for love inside, inside my mind. I keep on missing you. I keep on missing you. You see it. I promise you guys, I do not usually sound like this at all. I honestly don't know what's happened. Like,
She does. She's like,
I don't know, like, my voice, it hurts at all right now. But Harvey, he was amazing. I love him so much. That was the first time I saw him in 7 years, and honest to God, he was amazing. I love him so much. Like, honestly, the Vamps were incredible. New Hope Club were incredible. The night was incredible. My life is incredible. This is just incredible. We're out here making memories. Cheers! Insane night. Honestly, me and Tony booked these tickets when we was on our way to Winter Wonderland, and 100 days or something, even more, probably not 100 days, but 100 days later, me and Harvey broke the distance and relationship stands. That was amazing.
this thing you know, shall we go
Low, 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 way! she moves on, she says, don't take it personal, don't take it personal. Every time she moves on, she says, I love you, Harvey. Egg. I've literally just woke up, but I didn't end the vlog last night. Honestly, when I tell you my voice, like my throat kills, it generally kills. Like, this is me speaking normal. I can't speak normal. This is the best I can speak right now. Last night was absolutely insane. Like, I saw Harvey do his sound check and I got so emotional because I heard his voice and it just made me so happy. Like, I've been supporting Harvey for like 7 years, like since all the covers that he done on Facebook, Instagram. I was there from the moment he released his first ever song, Thank You. I was there from the moment he was on Friday Download, and I'm still here today supporting him. And last night was the first ever time I got to see him live, and it made me the happiest. New Hope Club were amazing. The Vamps were amazing as well. I just had the best time ever last night. It was just amazing, and like, I just couldn't be happier. I'm wearing Harvey's merch right now, and it's the most comfiest merch I've ever actually wore. It's so comfy. Harvey, if you're somehow watching this, I love you so much, honestly. Like, I love you so much. Like, you don't understand. Like, look what you've done to my voice. This is me trying to speak. I can't speak. But I promise you guys that I don't always sound like this. But if you are new around here, be sure to smash that red subscribe button down below, and make sure to smash a like on this video. Follow all my social medias. Also follow my fan page for Harvey, which will be on the screen right now. And as always, I've been Emily. You guys have been absolute true legends. I love you all so much. Have the greatest of days, and this ain't just the last concert video you're gonna see of this year, because I'm seeing Road Trip in like less than 30 days, so that's gonna be absolutely insane, and I just can't wait. So I love you all guys so much. I've been Emily. You guys have been awesome, and I'll catch you beautiful faces in my next video. Bye guys, love you.
What's up, Emily? I love you.
Looking at me.